In a previous video, we talked about the different types of web hosting services. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up hosting service and register a domain name. I've chosen A2 Hosting for this project because they are extremely affordable and easy to use for those just starting out setting up a web hosting account. At the time of this recording, these are the prices of the packages offered by A2 Hosting. This may have changed when you decide, or if you decide, to sign up for the hosting through A2 Hosting. If you decide to go with A2 Hosting for your hosting needs, please click the link below. Please note that this is an affiliate link, so if you choose to use this link, I get a small percentage of the sale. For the purpose of my project, I'm going to use shared hosting. As you can see, it is extremely affordable, and there is a promotion going on, like I said, at the time of this taping. Please feel free to choose the package that works best for you and your project. Once you have chosen your pricing package, the next page will bring you to where you can choose your domain name. I recommend doing some research on this ahead of time to make sure your domain name is available, but you can also check to make sure it's available at the time of ordering your hosting services. If your domain is not available, you can tweak the wording or the domain name until it is of your liking and available. If you already have a domain name, the options below will guide you in transferring your domain if that's an option you would like to choose. For the purposes of my project, I need a brand new domain name. Once you have settled on an available domain name, you will click Continue to go to the next page. Here you will be presented with a summary of the options you have chosen so far. Once you have verified that the options you have chosen are correct, scroll down and you will be able to customize your hosting service even further. In this section, I am going to choose the closest server location to me and choose the free SSL certificate. This is very important because if your website does not have an SSL certificate associated with it, when visitors go to your page, they will be presented with a warning page that the page is not safe. This is a protection that Google has put in place to protect visitors from malicious websites. If you do not have an SSL certificate on your website will be considered malicious and is not good for business. The next page will be further configuration of your domain names. It will also show any promotional codes that were applied in the previous screens. For this purpose, I am only choosing ID protection. This further protects you from spam emails from people trying to solicit you with their services. Next, we will review and check out. Please make sure that everything on this page is correct before you click Continue. Once you have verified that everything is correct on this page, please click Continue and you will be brought to the actual checkout page. Fill out all of your personal information and your payment details. Once you click Complete Order, you have just placed your order. Any hosting and or domain name registration will be applied to your account at this time. Congratulations! This concludes what I have now decided will be a web series on how to build a website. We have already gone over what web hosting and domain names are. We just went over how to set up web hosting. In the next video, we will go over how I set up WordPress before I start building my website. Yes, I use WordPress to build all of my websites. I do have HTML, CSS, and JavaScript coding experience, but I find that WordPress is much easier to work with and much faster to build websites. Please remember to like and subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to be notified when we upload a new video. Thank you for watching. Bye.